Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO A54s. First of all, go into Play Store on both smartphones, tap on the search bars and install free app called Send Anywhere. Then choose Open. After that, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then select Send on an Android one and Receive on Oppo. Now you need to tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files that you wish to transfer and send them later on. It will take a while, so I will go with only one. For example, choose Send and click on Got It. Over here on Oppo, choose No Thanks, tap on Close this window, and as you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on Oppo, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and choose Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!